Me and Nico, we going to Corinth, Mississippi. The one package that has to be out today uh, is already at the mailbox. So I plan on doing a little bit more shipping, but just in case I don't make it back in time or the mail runs early or something, it's already at the mailbox ready to go. So let's ride on down to Corinth and see what kind of trouble we can get into. I don't know how useful this is going to end up being, but I printed out the 2020 and 2021 treasure hunts and super treasure hunts. You can go online and they actually got pictures of each car and the description. I don't really know. I'm not sure yet if there's good money in these or if it's more just a time killer. You know, if you love Hot Wheels, then yeah, this would be a great thing. But if it's just another profit item, you got to ask yourself, are there other items that are easier to find that you can make the same profit or more? Because going around hunting all day for a car or a type of car, to purchase it for $1 plus tax and then sell it for $2.50 or $3 plus shipping, it just doesn't seem I don't know, like a good return on investment, you know what I mean? But I do like hunting for stuff, and that's really part of the fun, is finding it. As long as I don't go crazy and buy out the store, I guess we'll be all right. But I did want to look for the Matchbox airplanes and that Matchbox Devo, and maybe look for a few Hot Wheels. But don't want to spend too much time on this. And that's the thing: if you don't spend a lot of time, you won't find a lot of cars, and these things sell better in large lots. So you really need to have a day where you can do nothing but go out and source every single store around you, so you can suck up all the treasure hunts, all the super treasure hunts, and any of the collectible Matchbox cars and sell them in lots. But anyway, we're going to go to Corinth. I just wanted to show you that you could print off these. Like, here's a 2021 treasure hunt Baja Bone Shaker and the Street Weenie. That's Bobby's car, the Street Weenie. Yeah. But you can print those off and take it with you until you figure out. There's another one. And that one should be easy to find. It looks like a dinosaur. But those are the only 4 that's been released for 2021. So I thought, man, might as well have them. Can't find them if you don't know about them. We'll holler at you in a minute. Look at the wheels. It's not it. We're at the Dollar Tree looking for some Matchbox cars. Can't resist them. Bob Ross puzzles. With the puzzles, I wasn't able to find any more. I wasn't about to go town hopping looking for them. And I ended up with two lots. One lot, quantity 2, will have 4 puzzles. These 4. The other lot will have 3 puzzles, quantity 3. So all those are the same. All these are the same. So not bad. I usually get $18.99 plus shipping on top for these puzzles, and ship them in a 7x7x7 USPS box.
Continue 2 miles to Harbor Road.
Well, there it is. Kind of beat up, run down looking, but most things in Mississippi are. So we'll see if we can't find a few puzzles we're missing. We got 5 of this kind, 5 of this kind, 3 of this kind, 2 of that kind, 2 of that kind. So I need 3 of each of those and 2 of these, and then I'll have sets I can sell. So let's see if we can find those, and I don't know what else we can find. As a complete washout, they had 2 boxes of Hot Wheels still in the crate, still in the box, and I was like, yes, you know, if you're gonna find one, it's gonna be in an unopened box. But it wasn't an unopened box. Apparently someone that works here goes through the Hot Wheels while they're still back in the storeroom, and nothing good even makes it out onto the rows, so there's no use in looking for it. So didn't have any Bob Ross puzzles either, and I didn't see anything else I had to have, so complete washout. Let's go to Horror Freight. Alright, we're going to pick up a few socket rails, and that should be about it.
I resent that, sir. I have never in my life done anything just for the money. If I'm lying, may the Lord strike me down right now.
We're at Dollar World. We're going to go inside and grab some caps. And hopefully they still got caps. They're not guaranteed to have stuff. This place like Dollar World, they get stuff and they may not ever have it again, you know. So if you see something that you want, you might want to buy it when you find it. But hopefully they still got some, and we could be able to buy some. God damn. Yeah, just left Dollar World. Didn't find the hats. He said he'll have more hats in 2 weeks. A bunch of solid colors. I bought 19 of these. If you don't recognize these, that's probably because you haven't lived a life of sin. But they're supposedly cigarette rollers. Except people don't smoke cigarettes anymore now, do they? But these are selling for $7, $8 a piece online on eBay. They're solid metal. Got a nice little, I'm not sure if that's a flower or what. Some kind of design. That's a skull, ain't it? It's a skull with a mohawk.
What's in the box?
You know, I thought there might have been something up when I saw that one was listed as a wizard tin. Can you see that? This is a wizard. And that's a wizard. That's a sugar skull. This is a sugar skull wearing headphones. There's a big one and there's a small one. This is our friend Skull with a Mohawk. And only one of these, and it's like a mandala dream catcher. So instead of having one listing with 19, I'm going to have 5 different listings with anything from 1 to 6 items. So, yeah. I was hoping for like 1 listing, but I guess 5 listings is okay. Give you more eyes on it, more chances to sell it, I guess. I got 6 of these just to try them. He had bunches and bunches and bunches. I only saw 1 sold for $6 and a bunch listed for $6.99 free shipping. Got $1 into it, so maybe. I got these. I got 2 boxes of these, 6 in a box. They're fly traps, twin packs, none listed, none sold. I can't find them, but similar type items are selling anywhere from $8 to $14 for 2-pack. And he only had the 2 boxes and 3 loose ones, and I bought 2 boxes and 3 loose ones. And I thought I had a loose one around here to show you. Oh, yeah, there we go. So I figured for $1, fly traps. Figured that'd be a decent price. Only other thing I got, not for myself, but to sell, I thought I'd try some of these marbles. These look like the old-timey marbles. Obviously they're not, but maybe we can sell some of these. I don't know. I didn't get but 5, so no big loss if I can't. I'm proud of these. Proud of the fly traps. This may be a questionable purchase, and the marbles are definitely a questionable purchase. But, you know, if nobody else wants them, I'll put them in a jar and set them in a window. It won't hurt me a bit. But that's going to conclude this trip. As far as sourcing goes, we still got to make it to the house without running into anybody and in the ditch. But other than that, we should be all right. There's a dirt cheap. I hate this camera. It doesn't zoom worth a damn. But there's a dirt cheap right over there, and there's a few other stores that we could hit, but we don't really need anything. We got plenty. We spent more than we was going to, and it's time to go home. So that's where we're going. I appreciate you joining me, and please tune in next time. Same bat time, same bat channel. Man Mountain Link out.
Oh man, that was it wasn't even a good effort.
Oh, that's terrible. Yeah, it is. It really is.